Okay, first let the recording start. Good morning, all of you.
Good
Good
morning, ma'am.
morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Good
morning.
morning, ma'am.
Good
Good
morning.
morning,
A
ma'am.
very good morning to all of you once again.
Good morning.
Good morning. Children, as you know that we have started with the international system and I have sent with the worksheet on the in the classroom. So today we will solve worksheet number 6. I am going to send the link in the chat box now. You all have to open the link, right? And then I will explain that worksheet on the board. Just please let me know when you open the worksheet on your desktop, whether the board is visible or not to you. So first, wait a minute. I want to send you the link. Link is in the chat box. Open the link. Or when you open the link in the chat box, my board is visible to you when I will explain here. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, we have to go.
You have to open this link.
No,
When
no,
you
ma'am.
open,
I
Open
cannot
the
see
link.
your board.
okay.
Yeah, ma'am. We can see the drive. Then we need to change.
Okay, it's okay. I'm going to present it here. No need to open on your desktop. I'm going to present here on my window.
Ma'am, if this would be the chapter 1 worksheet 6, right?
Yes.
So should I write that in the index and the
Yes.
topic?
Yes. Yes.
And ma'am, this should be a classwork, right?
This should be a classwork. If it will not complete completely in the class, then it will be homework. This
And
worksheet
this one we are done.
we have not done, my dear. We have done this one. We have not done this one. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. We are not done this one. We have done the behind one.
Huh. So, see, I will write the sums also here on the board. For your information, I have given you the link, but I will write few sums here on the board and will explain you. First sum is the numeral form. Numeral form means in the numbers of 6,05,615. So start writing 6,05,615. So it will go till 6 lakh.
Ma'am,
So one, yes.
ma'am, I was saying that when I will open the worksheet, my camera goes automatically off.
So that's why I instructed not to open the worksheet right now. Look at my board. Don't open the worksheet. Look at my board.
And now we have to write what you are writing.
No need to write. Just understand. No need to write. Keep your pen pencil down.
And notebooks also side.
Aside. Yes. First sum is write the numeral form of 6,05,615. So when you write the numeral form, no, not in the notebook. Look here on the board, Vedi. Don't write, pen pencil down and look here and understand. First is 6 lakh is the highest place. So first you write the places and then put the numbers. 6 lakh. So 1 stands 100,000, 10,000, lakh. So 6 lakh 5,000. So nothing is here at the 10,000. 6 lakh 5,615. 615 and put the comma. This is the way to write from number name the number. Numeral means number. First is clear to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Go to the second one. Go to the second one. Second question is 1 million equals to dash thousand. So if you know how to write 1 million, you write 1 million. Mute yourself. What, Dharya?
Can I answer this?
No, first let me explain for everyone. Okay, no answers right now. 1 million equals to how many thousand it is? They are asking. My board is clearly visible to you? Hoja, sit properly. My board is clearly visible. Show me thumbs up. Yes. It is saying
Yes,
1
yes,
million
ma'am.
equals to how many thousand? So if you know how to write 1 million, Twisha will tell me, Twisha, how to write 1 million?
How to write 1 million? It will come 7 zeros.
Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000,
1,000.
million, right?
Find out.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, 1 million. 1 million equals to 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Got it? If
Yes,
you,
ma'am.
this is for your explanation, I am writing in this way. So if you know how to write the 1 million, so what you do, you write the 1 million in the numbers and divide it with the 1,000. So 1 million, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This way we write and divide it with the 1,000 because we want how many thousand. So we divide it with the 1,000. Divided with 1,000, you know we can directly divide the number which is having zeros by cutting their zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. So 1 million equals to how many thousand?
Ma'am, 1,000. In 1,000, 3 zeros, ma'am.
100,000.
Oh, sorry. 3 zeros. So we will cut 3 zeros. So 1 million is equals to how many thousand?
1,000.
1,000. Got it?
Yes.
तो आपके पास जो इधर है उसको लिखो, जो इधर है उसको डिवाइड कर दो. The remaining will be your answer. Got it? Yes, or no?
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I know.
Okay. Got it? Now next is 1 crore. Is 1 crore equals to dash millions. So if you know how to write 1 crore, you first write 1 crore, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, and crore. So if you know crore is having how many zeros? How many zeros crore is having?
7.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And how many zeros 1 million is having?
6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 zeros of 1 million will be cancelled with the 6 zeros of this. Now what is remaining?
10.
So 1 crore equals to how many millions?
10.
10
1
million.
crore is equal to 10 million.
Got it? How we have to do this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What is given here? Write it. What you need to take out? उसको उसने million से divide करना है and you will get. Ayush, mute yourself. Any confusion, Ayush, till now?
No, ma'am.
Everyone is clear till here. Show me
Yes, ma'am.
thumbs up if you are clear.
Method is clear.
Okay.
Yes.
So now open your worksheet and start doing till 5. If any doubt till 5, ask me fast. Read out till 5 fast or read all fast. Question number 1, read 9 तक read कर लो. Any confusion है अभी पूछो. Faster. Worksheet link I have already sent in the.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, can I remove a printout?
No. It will. You will need time then. अभी पढ़ के देखो. Afterwards you can take out the printout. Afterwards, you can take out the printout. You right now just read and ask if anything, any problem which you will face after when you do it. सिर्फ एक बार देखो. Okay, I'll send the link again. Next time, join on time. I request everyone to please join on time.
Ma'am, I have got in the fifth one.
You have a doubt in sixth one,
Fifth.
fifth one.
Yes.
Okay, let me check.
The
Fifth one.
yes.
That
Ma'am,
lakhs equals to 1 crore.
yes. So it will be the same method you told, but
Same.
like yes.
So you will write 1 crore first and then write the lakh first, divide it and write the remaining.
5 per lakh would have 5 zeros.
Huh? How many no? Lakhs?
5.
No. 1 crore is how many lakhs?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am,
Nishika.
I am telling that 5 lakh, lakhs has 5 zeros.
That you do, divide it and do. Yeah, wait, let me listen first, Nishika. Yes, Nishika.
Ma'am, the first one means numeral form of 6,05,006 is, so you have to write in the like 6, 5 like that, or you have to.
Numeral means numbers. Just now I explained on the board. Numerals mean numbers में लिखना है. ये words में लिखा हुआ है. You need to write it in the numbers. And 6 lakh के बाद 5,000 है. तो 10,000 की place पे कुछ नहीं है. I explained that also.
Ma'am,
It
what
can't
we
be
have
6,
to
5.
do? Ma'am, what we have to do in the sixth one? 6.
Okay. Let me check the sixth one.
8,500.
8,500. So what you do, you write 8,500s. 8,500 means what? And then divide it by tens. 8,500 कैसे लिखोगे?
8,500.
Yes.
Renu ma'am, if we right now I need to print out this. So if we read the question and send you it afterward, it's okay.
I will put this worksheet in the classroom as well also.
Ma'am, answer is right.
So, ma'am,
What is your answer? Yes, right,
so,
right.
ma'am, this is the homework, right? This worksheet is the homework. You just explain.
Yes, I'm just explaining you. This is your homework.
Oh. And can we start doing the homework now?
No. I have something else also for you.
Ma'am,
Yes, Rudra.
ma'am, what do we say lakh in numeral form?
Numeral form. Lakh ko.
Yes.
You will write in 1 lakh numbers.
Okay.
Now I am going to show you the worksheet number. Worksheet number 7, everyone knows, right? Yesterday I have given. Children, in worksheet number 7, mute yourself, Ayush, please. In worksheet number 7, I have noticed that many of you are confused in place and place value. Arna, I want to request you that your work is not coming systematic this time. So please send your neat work. आपका work neat नहीं आ रहा है मेरे पास. And I don't know why you taking the print of that, or you taking photocopy, or you writing with a black pen. I don't understand what it is. Write it with the blue pen only in your notebook.
I'm writing with blue pen only. Actually, I'm scanning the document so it becomes black.
But please take care on your handwriting. It is
Okay,
not
ma'am.
proper. You are not copying the words properly from the worksheet also, which I have noted, right? So please take care and send me again the worksheet number 7, which I have sent yesterday. I have noticed many of you are confused in place and place value.
Ma'am,
And-
I have doubt.
Yes, Aryaman, tell me.
Ma'am, in question number 2, write the names of write number names for. We have to write Indian system or an international system.
You are asking about the worksheet number 7.
Yes, ma'am.
तभी तो मैं बता रही हूँ, आई एम कमिंग ऑन दैट ओनली कि सबको कंफ्यूजन क्या है. Okay, listen it carefully, mute your mic. Listen it carefully. मैं place value से start करूंगी, number names भी explain करूंगी. Got it, Aryaman? See, first of all, I have noted that in that worksheet, I have given you the mixed one. Indian system से भी numbers हैं और international system से भी numbers हैं. That you need to focus on the comma. आपको comma पे focus करना है. For example, if you open your worksheet, first number is 9652, 963. So comma है पहले 3 values, then 2 के बाद. Got it? So this is an Indian system word number, right or no? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes, ma'am.
first, before doing the sum, you need to find out whether the number is according to Indian system or the international system. और वो कैसे पता करोगे? You need to see the comma. So आपका focus अगर comma में correctly गया, that after 3, 2, that means it is the Indian system. So now it is underlined word 2. Number 2 is underlined. So you need to find the place and the place value. So how to find the place means ones, tens, 100, 1000. So place is 1000. And the place value is place multiply with the value which is given here. 2 multiplied by 1000 equals to 2000. Or you can write 2000 this way. 2 number and spelling 1000. Or you can write it in the spelling 2000. That is also right. All the 3 ways are right. So place is the place which you are putting ones, tens, 100, 1000. But the place value is multiply the value with the place. Got it? Value means the number which is 2. Multiply the 2 with its place 1000, it is 2000. So place is the 1000. ये फर्क आपको पता लगा? Got it, everyone? Place and place value में फर्क पता लगा?
Yes, ma'am.
So don't get confused in between place and place value. And please, before solving this, you need to see whether the number is according to Indian system or the Indian international system. And how to find this? You see the commas. अगर comma 3 के बाद है, तो which system it is?
International.
Yes. Got it, everyone now? So don't get yourself confused. Now comes the number name. Number name that Aryaman was asking how to write the number name according to Indian system or the international system. There also you need to focus on the number, how it is written. Aryaman, read the first number, what it is written. Very good, yes, you know that. Aryaman, I'm requesting you to read the first number, what it is written. Aryaman, you are there in my class? Okay, I'll move. The first number is 86407-359. So when you observe this number, now tell me, this number is according to which system?
Indian system, ma'am.
Indian.
Ahil, you're not paying attention in the class.
Because there are 2, 2 and 3.
Because there are 3, then 2, then 2. Right? So this is according to Indian system. Got it, Aryaman? So the number name of this is also according to Indian system. But when you go to the next number, for example, 73, 499, 287, and the comma is after 3, then 3.
Indian system. International.
This is international. Got it, Aryaman?
Yes, ma'am.
International system.
So the number name is also according to international system. इसमें numbers आपको mix दिए हुए, आपको identify करना है and then उसका number name लिखना है.
Ma'am, in Indian system there is no 100,000.
हाँ.
And in international system there is 100,000.
Yes.
And there is no crore or lakh. There are only million.
Yes. Got it now, Aryaman? I want want you, those who have done the worksheet wrong way or any confusion yesterday, resubmit it, do it again and submit me again.
Ma'am, in the second question,
Hmm.
it will be 6 lakh. No, it is
Which
this-
worksheet you are talking about?
this one only, worksheet number 7.
Hmm.
The second question,
Hmm.
it is underlined on the 3. So
Yes.
in the place of 100, we will say as 100, but we will write as 100,000.
Yes. The place is, wait a minute. Let me check the
Ma'am,
number.
I is right. Ma'am, there is a
Ma'am.
face value and face
You will
value.
write 100,000 because you say 100,000, no?
Ma'am.
Yes.
I also
that-
write 100,000, ma'am.
Very good. Dhyan, tell me.
100,000.
Ma'am, in the worksheet, the last one is 90,000, and so it's 9 lakh or 90 crore.
Which one you are telling?
The last one of the first question.
Seventh one. Seventh worksheet.
Yes.
Uh,
Six.
Sixth worksheet. Okay, let me see. Sixth worksheet. Question number which one? 1 crore.
One.
Dan, can you please
Number
repeat
4.
again? Dan, can you please repeat again?
Ma'am, write the place value and fourth. And in that fourth one.
Write the place and place value.
And in that fourth one. The
Fourth
last.
question.
Yes.
Ma'am, see.
Sixth worksheet. Fourth question. There is no fourth question in the sixth worksheet.
प्लेस वैल्यू एंड प्लेस में वो पूछ रहा है आपको नंबर्स और प्लेस वैल्यू में फोर्थ वाले का आंसर पूछा
Okay, so that is worksheet number 7. Fourth वाले का आंसर पूछ रहे हो ना? Like 91, right? 651,183. This is the number.
Yes, 91.
Yeah. So in this you want that what? My dear, if I am discussing and talking with one child, you wait for your turn. So in this, the place of 9 is, you are asking the place of 9, right?
Yes.
The place of 9 is when you put the places according to international system. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million. So what is the place of 9? What is the place
10
of
million.
9?
10 million.
10 million. And what is
So
the
ma'am,
place value?
I will write 90 million.
Yes.
And the plus value.
Yes, 90 million.
Okay.
Got it?
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, like this. Ma'am, see like this.
When you send me your work in classroom, I will check the Lakshya. Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Nishika.
Ma'am, I have a doubt in sixth question, sixth worksheet. 8500 equals black tens. So as you told, you have to write 85000.
8,500 is 8,500. 8,500 is what? 8,500
Yes, ma'am.
divided by 10.
Okay.
So what will come? 850.
So means like I wanted to ask you that if I do 85000 and
000. Why 30? Why 3 zeros are coming?
No, ma'am. I'm telling if I see there is that you have to convert in 10. So if I remove 2 zeros, that's also the right thing to do.
No. You first write 8,500. How to write the 8,500? Divided it by 10. Cut the 0 with the 0, 1 0. Then it will be 850.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Which was the other child? Any doubt? Any confusion in these two worksheets?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Go through it. Solve it at home by yourself. If any confusion, we will do it again tomorrow also. Okay. Now I want to show you one video on the basis of she left. No one will leave the class, please. Still the class is going on. Now I'm going to show you one video on the basis of concept loan and interest. We have done this concept in detail in our last class, right? In grade 4, about what is loan and what is interest.
Yes, ma'am.
So I'm going to show you one video. Listen it carefully. My screen is visible to you all.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Just guide me whether it is audible or not.
yes, ma'am. Is it audible also?
Audible तो मैंने start ही नहीं किया.
Or it is also known as loan.
Now understand?
When we talk about loan,
Yes, ma'am.
what comes first in our mind? Yes, you are right. The first thing that comes in our mind is a bank, from where we can get a loan. Now we talk about Women Banker Bank, which is given in your textbook on page number 12. This bank is started by 20 women and Fazila is the president of this bank. Each woman saves rupees 25 per month and puts it in the bank. Now, let's see the questions related to this topic. How much money does the group collect each month? That means how much money will be collected by 20 women if each woman puts rupees 25 per month in the bank. Now, to find out how much money is collected by 20 women in 1 month, can you guess what we have to do in this? Yes, as we did the unitary method, we know the value of 1, that is 1 month. So, we will multiply the amount of 1 month by 20 because there are 20 women. We will multiply.
Children, in unitary method word problem, statement is compulsory to write. So when you listen this video, see the statements carefully, and when you write the worksheets on this, please write the statements properly.
Multiply 25 rupees by 20 and we will get rupees 500. You should also do this multiplication in your rough notebook to check your answer. Now move to the next question. How much money will be collected in 10 years? In last question, we calculated the money collected in 1 month, and in this question, we'll have to find money collected in 10 years. To solve this question, first we have to multiply rupees 500 by 12 because we know that there are 12 months in 1 year. By doing this, we will get the amount collected in 1 year. After getting the amount collected in 1 year, we can easily find out the amount collected in 10 years. So as you see, when you multiply 500 by 12, you will get rupees 6,000 in 1 year. In this, again, we have the value of 1, that is 1 year. As for finding the value of more, that is 10 years, so we do multiplication in this. So 1 year it is 6,000. For 10 years, it is 10 multiplied by 6,000, that is equals to 60,000. Let's see the another question. Gracie took a loan of rupees 4,000 to buy a net, that is fishing net. She paid back rupees 345 every month for 1 year. How much money did she pay back to the bank? So you can see the loan amount is 4,000 and the amount she paid back every month is 345. After 1 year or 12 months, how much money did she pay back to the bank? So now to solve this question, we will multiply rupees 345, which is per month that she had paid back to the bank, by 12. Why we are using 12? Because we know that 1 year has 12 months. And when we multiply this by 12, we get rupees 4,140. So in this question, we can see that she took the loan of rupees 4,000 and she had to pay back rupees 4,140 to the bank. It is so because she paid some extra amount and that is known as interest. Can you calculate this interest? Yes. It is 4,140 minus 4,000, which is equals to 140. The next question is, Janshi and her sister took a loan of rupees 21,000 to buy a log boat. Jansi and her sister took a loan of rupees 21,000 to buy a log boat. They paid back a total of rupees 23,520 in 1 year. How much time they took to pay back the loan? They paid back a total of rupees 23,520 in 1 year. How much did they pay back every month? Now, what we have to find out in this question, how much did they pay back every month? As they paid some of the amount every month, so that after 1 year, it comes total up to rupees 23,520. So let's see how to find out. The amount paid by Janshi to the bank every month is rupees 23,520, and we know that 1 year has 12 months. So we have already given the amount for 12 months. Now we are finding for 1 month. So when we are finding the value of 1, we always do division as we did in the unitary method. So what we do here is 23,520 divided by 12, which gives you 1,960. Thank you. Hope you have understood the concept well.
So I hope you all are clear with the concept of loan and interest with the help of unitary method is also used here. Yes, अगर आपको 1 का given है, many का निकालना है और many का given है, you need to find out for the 1 month, then also you know. If you have for 1, need to find out for many, which operation you will use?
Multiplication.
Multiplication. If the cost of 1 chocolate is given, you need to find out the cost of 10 chocolates. What you will do?
Multiplied by 10.
Multiply.
The cost by 10.
Yes. If you have the cost of 10 chocolates and need to find out for the 1, what you will do?
Divide.
Divide. And after getting 1, you can need to find out for many more also. If suppose I have given you the cost of 10 chocolates and want to find out the cost of 15 chocolates. So what you will do?
First divide, then multiply.
Why only 1 or 2 students are alert in the class and others are resting? Why this is happening, my dear? Why Rahil and other students are not speaking? Yes.
Ma'am, I have doubt.
Yes, tell me.
In the loan.
What doubt you have?
Ma'am, I didn't get the video.
I will send this video in the classroom. You just watch and ask me any doubt tomorrow.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, this
Thank
video and 1 worksheet based on loan and interest, and the worksheet number 6 I will send in the classroom. And you will try to do it, worksheet number next one based on loan. And if you face any difficulty, we will discuss tomorrow. Okay. Thank you, children, for today's class.
Yes, ma'am. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.